This is the Russian-made Snowrider kit being fitted here to a YZ450. They're pretty new to the market, but there are some serious pros using these kits around the world, and one of them, the kit's not the pro, ended up in my shed. The owner of this setup has ridden it for a full season now, all conditions, so I've been asking him what it's like compared to his Timbersled Arrow kit. I'll tell you the answer straight up, the cheap Russian Snowrider is way better to ride than the Polaris Timbersled. The track's a bit too soft on the Snowrider, but with these two bikes in the shed to choose from, you are definitely going to choose the Russian Snowrider every chance you get. I'm not going to go into detail about the setup and all the engineering differences between the Timbersled and the Snowrider. There are a few weird things to work out and a bit of grinding to fit the pivot arms, but our resident guru managed to put it all together without needing instructions, which is lucky because all you get is an online video in Russian. Overall, it's a really solid kit. It's not as refined as the Timbersled, not quite as light, but it worked perfectly all winter. Nothing broke, so it's good. So the main thing about the Snowrider is the ski. It's got a different side cut, camber, a much lower centre skeg, and it's got dampers front and back. In powder there's not much difference between the Timbersled and the Snowrider, but in hardpack, tracked-out snow, spring conditions, the Snowrider is hands down better, way less washing out. Everyone who rode the Russian kit was amazed at how easy it is to ride and control while still being grippy as hell. For sure everyone's going to copy this design because they've got it just right, they've nailed it.
It gives you more confidence. There's no resistance. Whereas the Arrow ski, you feel like you got to know exactly where you're going. This is like you have a little bit more room to correct. And I guess it's just because of the design of the ski, and the skeg in the middle isn't quite as long or deep. Well, it hasn't obviously got the Trio or the TSS, but it's still, I can do jumps and I can wheelie, and all I've got is this Air Pro, so I'm not bottoming out or anything, and I'm going where I'm going. It's amazing. You can go anywhere in the tight trees like that, and you feel like you can just get out of any situation. Whereas with the Timbersled, you're fighting it. It's so much better. my god! Oh, it's so amazing! No, it's really good. I just noticed that moustache. Just being able to go through these tiny, tight trees with ease. Like, I don't have arm pump and I'm like, not fighting it. You saw it? It's a ski. I feel like I need more grip. But it could be the snow. No, definitely the track is too soft. But they reckon they're making improvements next year, so we'll see. I rode the KTM and that actually washes out. Way more than this, and yeah, it's just like you can. Well, you saw how I was riding it, right? It's just the way that you can just turn it as soon as you want to, without just this. It feels like, I don't know. The Timbersled feels like it's like something's too long, and you got to like try and like fight it to get around. It's so easy to ride, but you can tell that the track doesn't grip as well. That I feel that much more than with the kayaks, because the kayaks instant torque, much milder at the bottom, and but then when you ride it and you get up to, when you get your momentum going, this is just so much fun.